This is the Mazar of Goresha. It is considered to be a holy place for both Muslims and Hindus. Now we are going inside the Mazar. It's a very beautiful place. Let's have a look inside the Mazar. Two women of Hindu community is worshipping inside the Mazar. They are praying to fulfill their wishes, lighting candles. The Mazar is decorated nicely. Like the women, many people from far and near come to visit the Mazar. They have a firm belief that their wishes can be fulfilled by praying here. This is also a historical place, so some people come here to watch the beauty of the Mazar. The Mazar is decorated very well. The surrounding environment is also beautiful. There are green trees everywhere. This Mazar has a long history. It's a cultural heritage for the local people. The celebrations held here are called Orosh. People from different places come to join the Orosh. Then it turns into a crowded place. If you have time, you can go and watch the beauty of the Mazar. I expect you will enjoy it a lot. Thanks for watching.